This video will demonstrate how to copy Canvas course content from one course to another. The Import Course Content feature is used to copy a course or selected course content. Whether copying one's own content from a previous semester or copying from another instructor's course entirely, this is often a common process to prepare for an upcoming semester. Please note, in order to complete this process, you must have access to your empty Canvas course shell for the upcoming semester. Also, an important note, if you are copying course content from a course prior to summer 2025, that is spring 2025 or earlier, and you edit and style course content with the Design Plus sidebar, you will need to take an additional step to assure your course is formatted correctly. That step includes upgrading your legacy Canvas course content in the Design Plus sidebar. More information about how to upgrade your legacy content can be found in the video description below. If you've never heard of the Design Plus sidebar and only use the Canvas Rich Content Editor to edit and create your course content, then no additional step is required. You may proceed with this video. If you are unsure, please always feel free to reach out to us at CETL at canvas@reynolds.edu. First, navigate to the Canvas course in which you want to copy content into. Then select the Settings link in the course navigation. On the Settings page, locate and click the Import Course Content link on the right side. On the Import Content page, locate the Content Type drop-down and select Copy a Canvas Course. Your Import Content page may look slightly different than the one on the screen currently. In the Search for a Course field, enter the name of the course from which you want to copy content from. You may also copy and paste your course ID into this field. Please note if you do, sometimes it takes a few moments for the course to appear, and select. Next, choose Select Specific Content from the Content options. Even if you plan to copy the contents of an entire course, you should never select all content. Doing so will overwrite key blueprint settings that may alter your course. If you wish, you can check Adjust Events and Due Dates if you want Canvas to automatically adjust your due dates. Please note that they won't be exact. You can always use the Edit Assignment Dates feature found on the Assignments Index page that will allow you to bulk edit your assignments all in one place. If you do check the box, enter the beginning and ending dates for both the original course and new course you're copying content into. Once all your settings are entered, click the red Import button. You'll be taken to the Import Content page. Under the Current Jobs section, your course copy status will appear at the top, showing Waiting for Selection in gray. Click the red Select Content button to proceed. On the Select Content page, check the boxes for all the content you want to copy into your new course. To expand each selection, click the arrow next to it. Important: never select course settings or syllabus body. These typically fall at the top of the Select Content page. These settings are already built into the new Canvas course. Copying settings from a previous course will overwrite the new ones, potentially causing issues. As a general rule, only copy content that you know is yours or a colleague's that you want to bring into your new course. Canvas may flag assignments, discussions, or quizzes that could create duplicates in your course. While Canvas won't prevent the duplicates, it will alert you to them. After selecting all the content you wish to copy, click Select Content at the bottom of the page. Your course copy will now be queued. The time it takes to process depends on server load, file size, among other factors. Some courses copy in seconds, while others may take a few minutes. You can always leave this page and return later to check the progress. Once the copy is complete, the status will show Completed in green. At this point, you can review your course to ensure everything imported correctly. If you imported assignments, discussions, or quizzes with due dates, now is the time to adjust them for the new semester. If you did select Adjust Due Dates, Canvas will shift your assignments based on the new semester dates. However, these new dates won't always be accurate. There are two quick ways to adjust these due dates. First is on the Canvas calendar. Here on the Canvas calendar, you can drag and drop your assignments to their correct due dates, making adjustments where needed. This automatically updates the assignment due date, the course summary in the syllabus, and on the student calendar. Note, if your course is published and has students already enrolled, students will receive notifications for every time you change a due date. So if students are already enrolled in the course, be sure to keep it unpublished while you adjust your assignment due dates. The second way to adjust due dates is using the Edit Assignments Dates tool. This can be found on the Assignments Index page in your course. On your Assignments Index page, click the three dots menu in the top right corner. Then select Edit Assignment Dates to update all due dates in one place. This method is faster than manually editing each assignment on their assignment settings page. Click through, make your adjustments as needed, and don't forget to save the page when you're done. And that's how you import Canvas course content from one semester to another. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Seidel at canvas@reynolds.edu. Best of luck in the current or upcoming semester.